So we're going to be rounding off numbers, showing you how to do that. Well, to be good at it, you need to know the place values of the whole numbers and of the decimal place values. And to the left of the decimal, of course, you have your ones, which are also the whole numbers place. Then we call the tens, and they have the hundreds, and common and the thousands. To the right of the decimal, you have the tenths place, then the hundredth place, then the thousandths place, and the 10,000th place. Let's take a look at some examples of how to round off. Let's say you want to round off 4.552 to the nearest hundredths. So find the hundredths place, which is the second decimal place, underline it. You're going to cut the digits off to the right, and anything that's 5 or above would make this one go up, but it's not a 5 or above. So your final answer will be 4 55 hundredths. Look at the same number, but this time round it off to nearest whole. Now the whole is the same as the ones place. So that would be where the digit of 4 is. So you cut it here. Since that's 5 or above, that's over halfway to the next digit. This will go up to a 5. You just cross that out, and all you need to do is tap in a 5. In this example, we are rounding off to nearest tenths. The tenths place is where the 9 is. So we're going to cut this off here. Well, that's more than halfway, so it's going to bump this one up. That would become a 10. You can't put a 10 in one placeholder, so the 1 would overflow here to the 8, so the 8 would become a 9. So you end up with 19, 19, decimal point 0, 19 and 0 tenths. This example, we're rounding off to nearest thousandths. Thousandths is the third decimal place over, so 1, 2, 3. That's the thousandths. You cut it here, cross that out, get rid of that. We're going to bump this up to a 10. We can't have a 10 there, so you overflow 1. That makes this a 10. You can't have a 10 there, so you bump this digit, a 1, up to a 2. So you end up with 0.200. That's 200 thousandths. In this example, we're going to the nearest whole again, and the whole will be the ones place. Cut it here, the 5 or above. It's going to make this 78. Round it off to a 79. And finally, in this problem here, we end up having some money. Well, money went round off to the nearest cent, or the nearest penny. And the pennies place would be the hundredths place. That'll be right here. So 5 would be more than halfway. You would end up with a final answer of $14.73.